Hi guys. Yeah, we'll do that. And thank you for coming back so soon. We are gonna talk to Anshuman Jha. Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Sorry.
That's all right. We finally managed to catch up.
Yeah, and I think it was not my Wi-Fi. It was my Instagram, and I right now it was showing poor connection, but somehow I managed to do it.
Due to us in these times. I'm doing good. I was just playing with my dog.
Oh,
So I'm a
nice.
little. He's my quarantine partner. Yes, I have a pet. His name's Casper. And hi Pallavi. Hi Sukhi Cool. Lots of people. Nice.
Nice. So
How are you?
I am also good. Actually,
Yeah?
I was checking Wikipedia and I just figured out that you're from North as well. You're from Allahabad.
I was born in Allahabad. Yes.
Yeah.
I was.
So you
Yeah.
didn't go back home.
I didn't go back home. Nobody's there now in Allahabad. Yeah, we moved out of Allahabad and shifted to Delhi in the early 90s. And then I did my schooling in Delhi and then did my college at Xavier's. So I haven't really gone back to Allahabad after we shifted. I went to shoot a film there. Unfortunately, that film never got completed. But I went to shoot there for a film which was an adaptation of Romeo and Juliet. Yet another adaptation. But it was a very good one. I wish that had got completed, but the film got stuck. It was an independent film. It got stuck. So yeah, but
Nice.
yeah, I've not been to Allahabad except for that shoot.
So do you wish to go back? I mean, it's such a beautiful place. I mean,
Oh, yeah. Allahabad is one of my favorite cities. There is for many reasons. The food, civil lines. You get churmura. Then there's that Bade Hanumanji ka temple by the Ganga, which goes underwater every monsoon. As a child, I used to find that very fascinating that he goes fully underwater in the monsoons and then the water recedes and the temples open again.
Oh,
So, Allahabad's a very special city, I feel.
nice. So let's just talk about the show, Mast Ram. Like, it's been getting so much, like, such a huge, good response. How do you feel
Yeah.
about it?
In the history of Indian OTTs, I believe in the first 10 days, there's no show that is even half in terms of number of hits. It's crossed insane numbers. I'm not allowed to say, but because they'll be announcing it. But it's been 10 days and the response has been overwhelming, to be honest. Because a lot of people only looked at it as an erotica or as a sensual show. But the fact is that people are watching 10 episodes at a stretch, and the season views are over 125 million right now, which is like, I mean, the numbers speak for itself, don't they? So the writing, the Mast Ram is a cult figure from the 80s. He's a real, he existed. Rajaram, the person, existed. His pen name was Mast Ram. So this show is a bit of a biopic because the producers have the rights to his life. They made the film also a few years ago, and this is the first season of the show. And hopefully we'll be doing more. And also it's the first show ever in India that's got intimacy directors, which was actually one of, in addition to the script, I have never done intimacy on screen. I'm trained as an actor to do it, but I never felt confident and secure with the crew involved. But in Mast Ram's case, we had a crew that had worked on Game of Thrones, on Magicians. So there was specialists shooting. So I was actually very excited because they have processes, protocols. It's like a theater. It's like a theater play. There's workshopping. There is every step, every shot is discussed. And we got to shoot in Manali in the middle of winter. So it was an amazing experience. Yeah.
Wow. So seeing your graph, like you've done characters which are like, so different, so unique, and your characters are never, you do not, you can't find similarities between two characters that you do. So what is your perspective when you're like looking at a script? What do you like in a script that you say yes to?
I mean, if I enjoy reading it, and if it's a character that I have not done before, then it's a brainer. Then of course the team comes into mind. So in Mast Ram's case, the producers were somebody like I said, Amanda Cutting, who was coming to do intimacy. I was looking forward to working with her. Harish Vyas directed Angrezi Mein Kehte Hain, a film with me before he was directing it. So I trust his sensibility, his aesthetic. That film with Sanjay Mishra, Pankaj Tripathi was a very good experience for me. He's also directed my next release, Hum Bhi Akele Tum Bhi Akele, with Zareen Khan. So the team is important. Tara Alicia Berry is somebody, for example, I really wanted to work with as an actor because I really enjoy her presence and her work on screen. So it's the script, it's of course the character which attracts you, and then it's the rest of the things. If they all fall into place, then I have always said this, yeah, it's the process. For me, it's the process. If the process is enjoyable, then the numbers are the show's destiny, yeah. Nobody can predict what you can advertise something and spend millions and millions and it will not work. People will reject it, and then you can not advertise for something and that can become an overnight. When LSD came, not many people, because it was the first film of its kind in that it was pretty much the first film which tipped the scales, right, in terms of indie films doing well at the box office. It made so yeah, I think instinct, yeah, a lot of instinct, and then an honest team that works on it is what attracts me.
Nice. Dhoni Call has asked you who's your favorite hero in Tollywood.
Dhoni Call, who is my favorite hero in Tollywood? Tollywood would be Bengal, right? Bengali cinema, right? Hands down Parambrata. I love Parambrata Chatterjee. Brilliant actor. He's also done Hindi films. He's done Pari with Anushka. He's done Kahani with Vidya Balan. So I think he's a phenomenal acting talent. I love to watch him. Pallavi is saying, oh, is Tollywood Tamil?
Yeah, Tollywood is Tamil.
Tollywood is Tamil?
Yeah.
But I'm a little ignorant about the woods. Tamil actors, let's see. There are a lot of Tamil actors and Yash, I think Yash is the actor. Dhoni Cool says it's Telugu. You are spinning, you're asking me actors from every corner of the country. Telugu. Let's see Telugu.
Actors you like.
I'll have to think which are the Telugu films I've seen. Telugu is Hyderabad film industry, right? I think Nagarjuna. Nagarjuna is one of my favorite. Nagarjuna, hands down. Nagarjuna is someone I've always, like when I was a kid, he had done a film with Mukul Anand, God bless his soul. Mukul Anand is one of my favorite Indian filmmakers. He made a film called with Mr. Bachchan and Nagarjuna and Khudagava. Yes, Khudagava. I have been a fan of Nagarjuna since then. I like Prabhas also. See, that's what I was saying. Even when I saw Yash in KGF, in cinema, there's something called presence, camera. And I think Prabhas, Yash, who I saw in insane camera presence. Like, it's not just about having a body and being macho. There is something here in the eyes, and these guys have that. And I love watching them.
True. So, working on Mast Ram, it was a huge ensemble, and you were like the protagonist, center of attention. How did that work for you? How did you feel being the center of attention?
I like how you are giggling through that query. Yeah, it's not how it seems, huh? I was actually Amanda Cutting. She always says it's the first time I worked on a set where the boy is more shy than the girls and is more worried. I used to be so paranoid about shot breakdown, camera angles, and all of that it was aisa kuch nahi tha that I was the center of attention. Everybody was the center of attention because, with all due respect, there were such serious protocols. The women were, there was a lot of respect, consent, and there was a system in place, which is what is needed. Just like when you do action and you're doing a very serious stunt, and you need to make sure everything is right, otherwise you can get injured, your safety equipment. Dhoni Call is asking me who is your favorite hero in Bollywood.
All your favorite actors from all the industries.
In Bollywood, I have all-time favorites, 3. Naseeruddin Shah, Amir Khan, and Irfan Khan. So, and Sanjay Mishra. I love Sanjay Mishra also. He's a phenomenal actor, I feel. I think in terms of pure craft, where he is, I don't think anybody is, Sanjay Mishra is in a league of his own. So, planning, prep, protocols, like I said, the Indian crew was not used to the protocols, and you had these 2 women from the West, Amanda's from Canada, and Megan was there, and they were literally running the show, and they were teaching a lot of things to the Indian crew, because we are not used to shooting it within those systems, right? Which is why I feel this show, and that's why the producers need to be given credit, because I feel producers change the game, and it's great that they're hiring professional people to take care of a setup which requires sensitivity, requires protocols, and yeah, the experience. Ask any of the girls, or yeah, it was a wonderful experience.
Yeah, I think the response speaks for the show, I think. And
Yeah.
yeah,
A lot of people said that it's that case of अंगूर खट्टे हैं. A lot of people said because it's lockdown, इसीलिए इतने number हो गए. But my point is, कि it's not like it's gone double of the next closest show, na? Or it's not like it's 7 times or 8 times the closest next show. So I'm saying that's a verdict. Like intellectually, we can. Like I have done really small indie films, and whether it's Ye Hai Bakrapur, which is on Netflix, it finally found its audience on Netflix, or whether it's Chauranga, or whether it's X Past is Present, or even Angrezi Mein Kehte Hain, which comparatively did really well because of Sanjay Sir's presence, and has done really well on Amazon Prime also. But they are comparatively small films that struggle to find their audience, right? That's always the battle with the smaller films. Similarly, when a big film does big numbers, it's just how the penny drops, right? People want to always. So I don't get overhyped or over fascinated by too much, or I don't get disappointed with. That's why process. That's why I keep going back to it. If the process is fun, I am very content and satisfied. And my primary concern is always living up to the director and writer's vision of the character.
Yeah,
That's the only thing I'm concerned about.
yeah, that's really good, and very few people are doing it right now. I mean, your ideologies, I think many few people are practicing that. So I think that's really good. Also, you are venturing into direction. Your film.
Yeah, that's a one-off. I am not going to direct often. It's something I have been an AD, and it's sorry, Jayu is asking which is your favorite movie, which scene do you like the most?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a very hard question, yaar. How can I name one? I have tons of favorite movies, but if I have to pick one film, it's a film called Amores Perros. It's probably the first film in terms of international world cinema that I saw. It's Inarritu's film, who's made Revenant and Babel. What if I have to pick? There's also an Indian film called Killa. I love that film. It's by Avinash Arun. It's about a kid and his mother. The year my film Chauranga won the India Gold Award at Mami, Killa had won silver. But I would say it was worth gold and a lot more. That film was really special. It's one of my favorite films. Amongst the mainstream films, I love Three Idiots. Yeah, I love Rajkumar Hirani's films. So you can. I also love Andaz Apna Apna.
Yeah, that's also classic.
You know the cop scene where Amir sir says, "आप इधर उधर कहाँ देख रहे हैं? आप उधर इधर." That one.
Yeah.
I love Andaz Apna Apna. Like that's a tripped out film. Cult.
True. Coming back to your direction, yeah, you said one-time thing that you want to do.
Yeah, this script now, when we were developing, I love black comedy thrillers. I love black comedies and I love thrillers, and this script is a black comedy thriller. So for me, the whole idea, while I was writing with Vikas Mishra has written, thank you so much Dhoni Paul, I like his name. The whole idea was that when we were discussing, we were jamming, I was feeling very close to the text, and I was coming up with things which Vikas thought would be best that I take on. And that's how it's a very my kind of script, because it's one house, 5 characters. I have directed a play on a similar theme a few years back. So it's a genre I'm very close to, and I can see it, which is why I'm doing it. But I don't think I'll do it regularly. Like it will be like I'm doing it now. I may do it after another 5-10 years. Ballav Saurav, are there any online videos? There's a Girish Karnad play called Bali, which I had done in 2009. The video of that should be available, I think. Nasir Saab had done that in 1999. That character, Mahavat. So I was very nervous. In fact, when I was shooting for LSD, Bali ka rehearsal and LSD was happening simultaneously.
Someone has also asked for acting tips.
Yeah, I'm nobody to give a tip, but you need to stay zero. You need to this whole fad की body बनाओ, बाल बनाओ, gel लगाओ, look good. वो सब आपके यूनिट करेंगे, वो सब बाहर की चीजें हैं. All that is external. वो कोई भी कर सकता है. कपड़े अच्छे. So internally you need to be a zero. कि मैं बोलूँ कि झाड़ू पोछा लगाओ, like these days we all are doing. You should be ready for that, and you should be convincing at that. And then I tell you to sit on a throne and be a king. You should be convincing at that. It is only possible if you are zero. If you already have this pretentious air about yourself that, oh, I am so and so, then so that's my only, that's what I look for when I look at an actor. That's something I look for. Is the person at zero or not? If you're not at zero, then there's no way to go. You know what I mean? And that's what I try to do. I try to lead a simple life.
That's great advice. Someone has asked, आपकी dream car कौन सी है?
Dhaval is asking. यार, I am a very basic sort of a guy. मुझे ये सब चीजों का शौक. I'm not a very material guy. Never have been. So मुझे as long as the car takes me from one place to the other, and as long as it is comfortable, I don't really. I had this wish as a kid. वो Hot Wheels होते थे ना?
Yeah.
तो उसमें ना मेरे पास एक येलो कलर की, ब्लू कलर की Lamborghini थी. So मुझे बड़ा था वो चलाने का एक बार. I didn't want to own it. So when I went to Singapore 2018, I think कौन सी फिल्म सिंगापुर फिल्म फेस्टिवल में, I think 28 नहीं अंग्रेजी में क्या, हाँ अंग्रेजी में क्या था, I think so. So I had gone to Singapore and वहाँ पे I'm a huge fan of Formula 1 racing, so I got a chance to drive the Lamborghini Gallardo on the Formula 1 track. So for me that was a great experience. If you'll ask me to own a Gallardo, मैं उतने पैसे में कुछ कोई फार्म कुत्तों के लिए खोल लूंगा, या I don't have the I'm a very sort of a guy. I'm very boring that way. But yeah, if you ask me, it's a good car to look at. The Gallardo is a great car to drive also. Pallavi is asking, आप कौन से character play
करने से पहले ज़्यादा nervous हुए थे? Like which character you the most nervous?
मैं हमेशा होता हूँ, और हर एक्टर को नर्वस होना चाहिए. जिस दिन नर्वसनेस चली गई मतलब दुकान बंद कर दो. So every character that I played, one of my upcoming films is Hum Bhi Akele Tum Bhi Akele, in which I play a gay man. So because I am a heterosexual man and it was a homosexual character, so that character I was very worried about, and I did a lot of research and a lot of prep. Because see, there is one thing external. आपको cook अगर chef बनना हो तो आप सीख सकते हो, अगर आपको सब्जी काटना नहीं आता है, it's an external thing again. But a homosexual person's internal systems are very different from the way they would react to a touch, or the way. So those were things, and Bollywood has always what's the word, cliched ki, the homo, and I wanted to stay away from all of that, yet be convincing. So I have a lot of friends. Dhoni Call is asking, so Veer is the character's name in Hum Bhi Akele Tum Bhi Akele, and that is probably the most challenging role. Which is why when we premiered in New York and won the best film there, premiere was in the Rajasthan International Film Festival, and it got me the jury award for best actor. So that was very satisfying, because
of course,
that is
all the work. Yeah, true.
Telugu बोलना नहीं आता यार मुझे. Dhoni Call is asking me. I know Tamil. Nangaredi Ningarediya. I can speak Tamil. I can't speak. Okay, because I worked in Bhadrapur, which was made by a national award-winning director, Janaki Vishwanathan, from Chennai. So because of her and because of her Tamil crew, I got to learn some basic Tamil.
Nice. This person Nani has been been messaging too much. I think we should at least reply to him. He has an army story. How can you help him?
How do I help you, bro? I have a lot of stories. Can you help me? You should approach a producer and hope to get it made. You should you should find out who's these days with Facebook, Twitter, everyone is connected. Hi, only Ani 21. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. that you've
I have
seen?
a game for you. It's a quick.
Sorry?
I have a game for you.
Yes.
It's called
Fire. Let's do it.
three things. Okay.
Okay.
You have 15 seconds and you have to tell me three things in that category.
3 things in what category?
I will give you the category.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Okay, first.
Born ready, ever ready.
Orange in color.
3 things that come to my mind.
Yeah, anything orange in color.
The song Gerua.
That's not orange. Okay, ठीक है, we consider that. That's
Why it's orange?
yeah.
Huh?
I think 3 things.
Acha, 3 things, like you want material things.
Yeah.
Oh, orange color. Okay, so I'll fire. I used to have a He-Man ka pura set, Castle ka set, and He-Man's hair was orange. So orange color reminds me of that when I was a child. Orange. What else is orange? That there is a beautiful painting in my living room in an orange frame, if you can see.
Oh, nice. Wow.
Can you see?
Wow.
So that orange frame, orange color reminds me of that.
Yeah.
And orange color. What else does orange color remind me of?
An orange probably.
BJP's flag.
Okay. 3 cities starting with
Oh,
the
hello.
letter.
Orange. Sorry. Orange also, most important thing. Hanumanji is orange always. So yeah.
Okay. 3 cities starting with the letter P.
With the letter what?
P. P for Paris.
P for parrot?
Yeah.
3 things starting with the letter P. Wow, yeah. This is like a fun game.
3 cities.
3 cities
Yeah.
starting with the letter P.
Yeah.
Pondicherry.
Okay.
Okay. Paris
People
and
are
Puerto Rico.
Okay. Next. Word.
Arey wow, there was hell. Panji, yeah, Panji. Yeah.
Okay. 3 words that rhyme with Anshuman.
Hanuman, Superman, Spider-Man, Batman,
All the man.
all
Okay.
the man. Human. In school I was very shy and used to be very quiet. So they used to break my name into 2 halves and make fun of me. So they used to make answer, ANS, and then human. So they used to call me Answer Human.
Oh. That's a nice quirky nickname you can take.
Yeah.
Okay. Films that have word city in it.
City.
Yeah.
Maximum City.
Okay. 15 seconds.
Sorry. Maximum City. City
You
of
can't
God.
Google. Are you Googling?
No. City of God. City of God. Maximum City.
Your 2 seconds are over.
Okay, which is the third one? Tell me a third one.
The city, Shore in the City.
Hey, Shore in the City. Sex in the City is... Oh, it's a film also. Yeah. Okay, sorry. I lose.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next. 3 things you use daily that are made of plastic.
That are made of plastic.
Yeah.
I am not very proud of it. We should all let go of plastic things, but unfortunately there are some things that we need to use. So, I mean, the car interior has a lot of plastic which we all use by default, which is then
15 seconds.
all the cleaning liquids come inside plastic bottles. Our bottles, drinking water bottles are plastic which we use. So yeah.
Okay. 3 things done. Okay. 3 things you eat for breakfast.
Oh, granola or muesli, almond milk with banana, and either bread and eggs or any alternative which has carbs. But I have a heavy breakfast. Yeah.
We will talk about your fitness also. I saw your post, like that was a drastic change. How did you manage to do that? We'll talk about that once the game is over. So I have 2 more of you.
Pallavi says toothbrush, correct. But Pallavi, I use a bamboo toothbrush now. That's why I didn't say toothbrush, because I got from Pondicherry, I got a bamboo stick wala toothbrush. So
That's so good. 3
Yeah.
movies of your favorite actor.
3 movies of my favorite actor. So I will take one of each. So I told you who are my 3 favorite actors. So I'll take one of Amir Khan, one of Irfan Khan, and one of Nasiruddin Shah. So Irfan Khan would be, it's really hard. It's a really hard choice there because most of his films, but I'll pick Pan Singh Tomar. I think that's a performance. No body, no abs, no transformation, but boy, they shine. Nasir Saab, it's a very weird choice, but it's one of the reasons why I became an actor. He did a film called Tridev. So, and I was a kid, और उसका VHS कैसेट मेरे घर में आया था इलाहाबाद में, और वो VHS की दुकान बंद हो गई, तो वो VHS कैसेट रह गया, तो मैंने त्रिदेव कम से कम 50-70 बार देखी, and I fell in love with him. He had that song ना तिरछी टोपी वाले, so I used to know all his lines. So Nasir Sahab has many great films, I know, and people will beat me for this, but Tridev for him. And Amir sir in the Andaz Apna Apna.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, last one. 3 embarrassing habits.
3 embarrassing habits.
Yeah.
I go to sleep at 11:30, 12. So even if I'm at a party, I start dozing off, and then people start. Yeah. So people. इसीलिए मैं बाहर ज़्यादा जाता ही नहीं हूँ. लोगों को लगता है that I'm being difficult और मैं सो जाता हूँ. So that's one embarrassing habit. Like there have been parties at my house where I have gone to sleep and people have, my dog hosts them. My dog is the host after I've gone. So one embarrassing habit is that. Second embarrassing habit is that, I don't know if you can call this embarrassing, but it's just that I don't drink and smoke. So I feel very out of place sometimes, especially in, no? Okay. So
Embarrassing. That's the choice.
Embarrassing habit. I'm for the longest time, even now, I didn't know how to. If I liked a girl, I didn't know how to go and talk to her. Like I developed cold feet, so that's very embarrassing. And people close to me know it because I suddenly freeze. It happens very rarely, but if you know me, you know it. So that's very embarrassing. Like so that's the second embarrassing habit. The third embarrassing habit is I love to clean my plate. So even if I'm eating outside and if I've had a good meal, especially desserts, I like to lick up. So people around who are very la-di-da get very embarrassed, but I love to do it. I love food. So yeah.
I think that's nice. Yeah, I would also try that. I mean, I would want to do that.
There, किसी अच्छे होटल में ना 5-star types, like where all the moves and the jazz is happening, where people are really, and when you're suited and booted or you're in a nice black dress, do it then. जो मजा आता है लोगों की शक्ल देख के.
I know it must be an experience. I'll do it. Don't worry, I will try it. Avneet, you have been asking us to ask a question, but we can't see your question, so please. Hi,
hello.
Yeah.
Hello, Avneet. But that is not the real Avneet. The real Avneet is a friend of mine, and I know. Avneet, आपका असली नाम?
Something, I guess.
Oh yeah, okay. How are you, Rajaram? I am very good, Devdutt. Thank you. Where is Casper today? He's not disturbing you. Right here. He's always near me. He's right here. Can you see him?
So cute.
He's chilling.
Nice. So yeah, coming back to your fitness, how did you do it in the month of April? There was a drastic change.
There's no drastic change actually. If you see, Dhaval is also asking me, आपको कैसी physique चाहिए? यार physique zero होनी चाहिए. आपको अगर मोटा होना हो तो मोटा भी हो जाना चाहिए. Body बनानी हो तो भी बना लेनी चाहिए. What she asked me about acting, when I say being zero, I mean being zero physically, mentally and emotionally, so that you can then start. So physique ऐसी नहीं बना लेनी चाहिए कि आप अटक जाओ. You know what I mean? It should be from a place where you can go in any direction.
Yeah.
So right now, what happened was when the lockdown started, a month before that, I had been in serious prep for my film, right? I had gone to London, I had done a tech recce. Plus it was my birthday that week. 15th of March was my birthday. So I'm a Piscean, yes. You're also a Piscean?
Yeah.
When's your birthday?
21st Feb.
Arre gazab. Sahi hai.
Creative.
So the whole month, lots of cakes were coming, lots of sweets were coming. और मैंने जैसा बोला ना, मैं वो नहीं, शर्म वर्म नहीं, मुझे मन करता है तो मैं खाता हूँ. Even now I eat everything. So what happened as a result, because of all the erratic work schedules, I was not able to, generally it's not like I go to the gym or something, I just keep fit. So I'll do skipping or I'll do some functional training. But in that month I couldn't even do that because of the travel and all of that, and my birthday eating, binge eating. So what happened was, on the 18th of March, I was feeling it for the first time, that I was feeling a little heavy. I am always very light on my feet. And I was like, dude, this is not doing. So when the quarantine started, I said, boss, two things I did. One was like, let's go back to school. So every morning during the quarantine, someone has even asked, Jayatu has asked, how are you passing my quarantine? So this will answer that. So from every day, I put aside 2 hours. I said I always wanted to read the Vedas, our Indian scriptures. Yeah, I started reading the Upanishads first, the 10 Mukhya Upanishads. There are 108, out of which there are 10 Mukhya Upanishads. So I started with that. So that took me about 5 weeks to finish every morning. So that used to be my morning. Then I would watch cook, clean, and then I would watch something in the afternoon and then work out in the evening. So I said, at the other end of this quarantine, whether it's 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, I want to be in the best physical and mental state. So I put a challenge to myself, and I worked out 4 days a week. I'm eating everything I feel like, but I always eat ghar ka khana in general also, mostly. So I think that's a big reason. And I feel all illnesses, including our immunity falling, is the result of 3-4 factors, not just one. I think it's bad eating habits, bad sleeping habits, taking unnecessary stress, and not exercising. I think these 4 things contribute equally to your immunity falling. And so I find it very strange when people try to fix their systems by just taking a diet. Diet is a small part of it. You also need to sleep on time, because the body is a machine at the end of the day, right? Which will stop functioning one day. So might as well make it optimum as long as it lasts. Especially if God has blessed you with 2 hands, 2 legs, and all the systems working. Jayu is asking how many members are there in your family. Yaar, abhi to main akela hu. But I have an elder brother and I have eldest sister and my father. My mom passed away this Jan, so it's the 4 of us now. And Casper, of course. Most important member, Casper.
So season 2 coming for Mastram or?
Yes, when I don't know, because we are all at home and it's not a show that we can shoot from home like some of the shows which are coming. Made during lockdowns. This can't be made during lockdown. Pata nahi yaar, it's definitely going to happen. Tara Alisha 2. What is that? Somebody's asking.
Tara Alisha 2. I think they will add them on the live something.
Singlet.
Singlet. I think we've heard a new word today. Singlet.
Think about Tiger Shroff, sir. I love Tiger Shroff. I love watching him. You have to respect something that someone has learned over the years. When I was growing up, Jackie Chan was a favorite because what Jackie Chan could do on screen, nobody else could. And I love Tiger and Vidyut for that, because what they can do physically, I'm a black belt in Taekwondo myself, so I really love pushing my body. But boss, what those 2 men can do, because they have been training, and that's what you got to respect, man. They've been training at something since they were kids. I have been acting professionally for 16-17 years. They've been taking care of the martial arts that they're learning for so many years. You respect that. And I love watching Tiger kick ass.
I think now I should let you go because the questions will keep pouring. Do you have any last messages for the people who joined the live?
Thank you so much, yaar. Please listen to the government. Do help people. Be kind. Be compassionate. Pay your maids. Pay your drivers. Please don't be miserly right now. Help. And if you haven't watched Mastaram, watch it, because it has a lot more than just sex, and the sex is very good. Let me just tell you that, because it's been done by professionals. And it's funny, there is no nudity in Mastaram. You know, a lot of people keep saying, "Oh, is there nudity?" There's no nudity. It's just that it's been shot so aesthetically that somebody's saying, "Can I meet you after lockdown?" You'll have to ask her. Whoever she allows me to meet.
I will have to ask you only. If you allow, I will allow them.
You allow, if you say thumbs up, I will say great.
Yeah. So we will have to wait for the lockdown to get over. Then I will meet you first. Then I will make people meet you.
Then we'll do this live and then ask some rapid fire questions like you asked me, and whoever answers those,
yes.
Maybe you ask details about Mastaram कि ये dialogue कौन से episode में आया था.
Yeah, sure. We can do that. So I will let you go now. I've taken
all right.
Yours. Thank you so much. And
thank
sorry
you
for all the trouble I've caused you earlier.
Don't be. Just take care of yourself and stay safe. And I will see you soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye. So guys, that was Anshuman for you all. And if you guys missed any parts of this live, please go back to our YouTube channel. I have put the information in the chair. We had Alu Shirish also before this live, so you can check out his live as well. We are doing lives every day, so please come back for all the lives. Keep commenting, keep watching us. Thank you so much for coming for this live as well. And take care and pray ki lockdown khatam ho jaye. And yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. Please come back. Bye bye.